Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is Soap and Glory's Get Enriched Quick Nourishing Bath and Body Oil. This is in their rose and bergamot scent. It has vitamin E, argan oils, sweet almond, and safflower oils. This is very rich oil. It is thick. It absorbs into my skin wonderfully. It does not leave a nasty, greasy residue. I love the smell of this. It smells so good. The way that I use this is I do not dry off from my shower right away. So with the water still on my skin, you can go ahead and put this on and that'll lock in that moisture. You can also put this in your bathtub if you're taking a bath, or you can go ahead and put it on dry skin, however you want to use it. But I definitely recommend this if you're looking for something that's a little bit more moisturizing over lotions, then I highly recommend this body oil, but that's just my point of view.